Hello everyone, welcome back to Azure Trading Session. Today is 16th January 2023. You can see the chart over here. We have made plus 10% for the last week, and that was the first official week for me this year that I started to trade. And we are waiting for the market to open. It's 1.5 minutes left, about 80 seconds. So we are gonna watch what is gonna happen. The red lines, all these horizontal lines represent the high and lows of each session. The red lines depict the high and low for London session. The blue lines depict the high and low for Asian session, and the white lines are the high and low for New York session. So we are currently waiting for market to open. It will open in another 1 minute. I will share the link with everyone on my Discord so everyone can join and tune in. So I've sent the notification on my Discord, and the market is opening in another 6 seconds. So let's see where it's gonna go. I will notify as soon as I enter a trade. I will notify here as well. So the market is open. Not a lot of volatility. No, the market is not showing as much strength as it usually does as the market opens, but we are still waiting for a nice move. I'm anticipating the market to go towards the London high, break it, and drop from that level. This is what I'm looking at right now. But let's see. We are not going to be predicting anything. We are just going to be following the rules, the strategy. I'll share the strategy on the screen as well for the guys who are new watching the live session for the first time. So this is the strategy for those. You can check it out, take a screenshot or something if you want to, and follow it. So now we get a break. That's the second candle for New York Open, very close to the London high. So the volume gates are open. Edger Master confirmation is also blue, and we have a good confirmation on Edger volume gates as well. So what I'm going to see, I want the candle to close above this point with a lot of strength. It has to be a valid candle. It has to be a valid bullish candle for us to enter the trade. If that does not happen, then I'm not entering the trade because it's already close to the London sessions high, and it can happen that the price might reject from that level. So 5 seconds to go for the candle to close, and we still don't have a confirmation here. The, the confirmations are there, but the candle is not valid candle for it to be in a for us to open a bullish trade. So we are gonna wait until we get a nice entry. So no entry yet. Maybe on this candle we might get an entry, but I'm really hoping and I want to see a really nice strong movement, and I want the candle to be a valid bullish candle for me to enter the trade. So 25 seconds to go. So we got a break of London sessions high. 14 seconds to go. Has to be a strong candle, right? 10 seconds to go. 4 seconds to go. And I'm in the trade. 3 seconds to go. 2 seconds to go. 1 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 seconds I'm in this trade right now for 50 points. The market has not moved a lot, so we will just wait. And if I am not comfortable holding the trade, I'll tell you guys when I'm exiting this trade because it's not giving up that volatility what we need on market open. The market is really slow and stagnant right now. I want to see this candle should go like 20, 30 points in profit, and that's when I will be looking to make either trade risk free or close it. If this candle is going to be a doji, I'll exit the trade right away. So the candle has not a lot of strength, you can see. So I will be exiting this trade. Uh, so I got really no confirmation and I've exited this trade. So there is no trade. I closed at break even. So I'm not considering it at all to be the right trade for us. Since it was not a strong candle, the movement is not a lot. And I am only entering the trades when the market has a lot of volatility for me. That's why I close the trade. So I'm not going to count it as anything because it can happen the price might fall from this area. So what I can look at is like this is the first leg right now. We want the second leg to form, and on the third leg we will be looking for new entries because this leg has been exhausted and it is the first leg for sure. So let's wait patiently. So 5 minutes, we are already 5 minutes in the market open. There is no solid strength right now. So just holding myself back from not entering any trade. So this candle is a strong candle, but looks like we don't get all the confirmations over here. So maybe on this candle, if that happens, we are looking for the entry. 45 seconds for this candle to close. – 18 seconds to go. So no entry on this candle. Market is really not that volatile what we are expecting on a market to open. So I really don't know what's happening, what's cooking. We might get good volatility in the next 30 minutes as soon as we close the first 30 minutes candle. Um, So I'm also live on TradingView's live stream now, so the people can also join directly from TradingView as well. Great. All right. So I'm available on both the platforms right now. Since we do not have a lot of volatility right now as the market opened, uh, we will just patiently wait, sit and wait for something to happen to volatility to trigger, so we can look for upcoming trades. So now the second leg is forming currently, and what I want to see a rejection from the edge of trend pivots, and as soon as I get a rejection from the trend pivots and the third leg starts to form, that is when I will be looking for new entries. For sure, we have to pay attention to the set of rules and set of the conditions that we have, so we can enter the trade rightly. So we are looking at a rejection from the Azure trend pivots, and from now onwards, we will be looking for the entries. So there is some issue on my trading views live stream. I cannot check it. Um, the screen is just blank, so I'm working on that. And right now, the price, if the price closes below this level, then the structure might shift to the sell side. So it looks like I'm back on live on Trading Views live stream. Um, there was an issue. Somehow my stream it got disconnected and I was not live anymore. So now, all right. I really don't know what the issue was, but somehow it not work as it should have. And the people who are watching my live stream on TradingView or on YouTube, um, they should know the difference. On TradingView, if you are following me, you are actually watching me trade live. There is no delay, as whereas on YouTube there is a delay for about 60 seconds. So whatever I'm showing you guys on TradingView will always be delayed on YouTube. So it's recommended to join my live stream or watch my live stream on TradingView. And if you want to see a recap, you can always go to YouTube and check the live stream over there. So now we see the structure has changed to the sell side. You can see it over here. It's on a short bias, and we will start looking for entries as as the structure starts to form. So this would be the first leg. I want to see the second leg. On the third leg, I will be looking for further entries. Somehow I cannot. So my live stream on TradingView has been disconnected again, and I really don't know why. That is a little confusing for me. I think there is some network issue over here. All right, market has opened 20 minutes ago, 21 minutes ago, and we still do not have an entry because the market is not showing the volatility what we expect it to show. Now it is on its way to form the second leg, and hopefully, as soon as the second leg closes, we might get an entry. Hopefully, everything depends on the volatility that's in the market. So on this candle, if we get all of the confirmations, if the edge master confirmation gives me yellow color over here, and the candle would be a valid bearish candle, then I would be looking for entry. Otherwise, there is no entry for me. And if people are watching my live stream, they are most welcome to give in my live stream a boost, which is very helpful and beneficial for my trading view profile. So that would be very, very helpful. Thank you. And if you guys have any questions, you can always ask me on the live chat. I would be most welcome and most happy to answer your questions or your queries. The market is still really slow right now, and we still do not have any entries yet. Still no strong movement, still no huge volatility here. There is some really strong issue with trading views live stream today. It's keep getting disconnected. So all I'm doing is just sitting on my hands because there are no practically no trades available for me to enter this really slow market. It is really, really not normal, it's really not normal that the market is behaving like this. It's in a really compact range right now of 40 points. That is it. That's the only range that market has created as it opened. So I am not willing to trade when the market is behaving or moving like this. I am an aggressive scalper, and I need the market to move and show its volatility. I really am not comfortable entering the market in such conditions because there is no range. The range, my stop loss itself is for 40 points, and these candles are really not strong candles. But however, if I get an entry on this candle, that would be my first official entry for today, because I got confirmation on Edger Master confirmation, and the volume gates are also open. I would be I would be looking for entries. Uh, if the candle closes a bearish candle. Of course, it should have a valid bearish confirmation. So this candle should have the volume gates open, and then I would be looking for an entry. I really don't understand the concept why the market is moving so slow, because that is not what happens as New York session opens up. I will share it with you the moment from last week, like Friday, last Friday, and you can see how much the market moves. That's a typical move for market as soon as it opens. So here the market opened over here, and look, this was the first trade that I took. That was 50 points. Within first 30 minutes, 20 minutes, the market already moved for 200 points. That's why I was able to take first, second, two trades. I took two trades on Friday. So that was the only, those were the only trades for me um, for that session when I was live. And right now, market is actually not moving. So that is really surprising for me why it is happening like that. It's really in a very compact range. So I might enter this trade if it's going to be a valid candle, because the structure has shifted to the long side and I am expecting a good move. So I have not entered on this candle because it is not a valid candle. Plus, it is a breaker candle that has broken the structure. So what I'm gonna do, I will look for the entry on this candle if it's going to be a valid candle with a circle below it. That is where I will be looking for entries, because Azure master confirmation and Azure volume gates are giving me the right bias. So no entry here as well. I think there is an issue with the internet connection or something serious that I'm not understanding right now, because my live stream on TradingView keeps getting disconnected. I really don't understand what is happening here and why. So if anyone knows, please help me. If this candle is going to be a valid candle, we are entering the trade for 30 points. The stop loss would be 30 points and the take profit would be 30 points. As soon as I enter the trade, I will put the long trading tool on this close of this candle, and we will see where the market is going from there onwards. So 9 seconds, 7 seconds to go. Five, four, three, two, one. So no entry as well on this candle as well. The market is not giving us good opportunities over here. 15 seconds to go. I'm really not liking these market conditions. It's really not worth it to enter when the market behaves like this. And now the price is pretty much close to the edge of VWAP. So it's this scenario is not suitable for entering the trade because you don't know where the market is going to go from this level. So we have been 36 minutes in the session and no entries yet. Looks like it's a lot of patience check for Monday. And even if I don't enter a trade today, it would be totally fine because I have accumulated plus 10% last week. If you guys want to check it, you are most welcome to go on my YouTube and check all of the live streams. I have shared everything. I mean, I was live, so you can easily see which trades I took and when exactly. So I'm totally fine if I'm not taking any trade today because I don't want to lose my gains from last week. I mean, scenario like these are pretty normal for Mondays because the market is opening up for the upcoming week, for this week. So it can happen that it will take some time to kick in the volatility that we expect the market to show. Because in this range, I'm really not comfortable. So I'm just paying attention to the chart to just look for the opportunities, but it is not showing me any. So I'm not hunting for the opportunities, you know. I am just looking at the chart patiently, sitting on my hands and watching. So if the conditions are met, then we are gonna enter the trade. But right now it looks like that we might not get any entries soon. I really want to trade, but when it when the market is not in my favor, it makes no sense for me to trade, right? So that is where you have to stop yourself so that you can still follow your rules, your strategy, and respect them. Because it would be very random to enter the trades without knowing what you are doing or not even following your strategy. That is the most important and the crucial aspect of trading. You need to find your own edge. So that is it. Dead market today. And I actually go live every day from Monday to Friday as soon as the market opens. So as soon as the New York session opens for the first 1.5 to 2 hours, So if you guys want to watch the live stream, you are most welcome to follow my profile on TradingView and give my previous live stream a boost if there is any knowledge for you. And all the people who are watching right now, I also ask them kindly to give my profile or my live stream a boost at least. That is the least what I can ask you guys for. I'm sharing my knowledge, my hard work, and showcasing my knowledge to you all, and this is the least I expect from you all. And if you guys are interested, you are most welcome to try the system out. You can just direct message me on TradingView or my Discord. I can provide you the access for 1 week so you can try it out and let me know if the system works for you or not. And I really want to have like-minded people in the community because I am pretty serious about this, and I do not want any immature traders coming up and asking me immature questions. This thing, what I'm doing here, sharing knowledge among you all, is really for the serious people who are trading for a living, not expecting huge unrealistic returns like making 30, 40, 50% in 1 day. That is not what I do. I I respect consistency and I follow consistency, and that is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people who like to climb the ladder step by step and not jump directly from first step to the 100th. I want to work with the people who want to take each and every step and analyze what they are doing. So if you are interested, please direct message me. So this candle could have already provided us an entry, but I'm not comfortable. I want the market to be aggressive first, to make some aggressive candles, and that is when I will start looking for new entries because I'm not comfortable entering the market and waiting for like 30 40 minutes for one trade to hit either take profit or stop loss. My strategy is an aggressive strategy is an aggressive trading system which concludes the trade in like first two candles. So I really don't want to hold the trade for like 10 candles or 20 candles since I'm trading on 1 minute. I expect huge volatility and that is when I enter the trade, nothing before. So that is what could have happened if I entered this trade. So it is already like 10 points of drawdown, and look how many minutes has it been since I put this tool on. It has been like 7 minutes, and there is no strong volatility, nothing. So I'm really staying out of this market right now. I'm totally fine by not taking any trades on my real account. I'm really annoyed while looking at the chart right now. There is seriously no intensity over here, no strong volatility. This is seriously very annoying that the market is not giving us an opportunity. It's just ranging. There is no strength, like seriously no strength. The market has probably moved more in Asian session than it is doing in the New York session. So this is the Asian session. From here onwards until here, the market has already moved pretty nicely. If you want to check the range was for 100 points, and during London session, the range was about 130 points. Right now, the market has so small range for 40 points in New York session. That is absolutely absurd. Really makes no sense. So I'm just sitting back and watching. The live stream on TradingView is really annoying me today. It's really not working good at all. Something is really wrong here. Something is wrong with the market today, and something is absolutely wrong with my TradingView live stream. So I think today is not the day. I will wait for another 30 minutes. If I don't get an entry, I have to conclude this session without trading anything for today. So I have disconnected the live stream on TradingView because it was not working at all. Now I'm only live on YouTube. And also, I will be concluding this session in another 26 minutes because it's looking like there is no trade today. So it's better to just stay out of it. So really no activity here, and I will be concluding the session for today. We have taken no official trades. No trades have been taken today because the market is really dead, and I'm not willing to trade in this such condition, in such market conditions. So later on, if I get some opportunities, I will be looking closely to it, but I might not be streaming live. So in case I do, I will share all of the trades on my Discord. So whoever is watching the stream right now, they are most welcome to join my Discord server and ask me questions if they have any. Thank you so much. Have a nice trading day ahead. Thank you so much.